Rainy day special spot. Whoa, consume.
It's vegan chicken burger.
Whoa. You good? Stay frosty. Look at this anti-human ledge. What is this? Is that for decoration or? So you can't sit on there? They don't want you sitting on there?
They always resting. They want resting in LA. They want to do this.
Never rest. Stay frosty. Yeah, this truck right here by Mitsuwa. Go to this blue truck. Chef Rudy put us on. I think dump that on there. You know, keep the limes, dump the onion on there. Yeah. You dip the tacos, birria tacos, quattro, 4-piece, $12. Game on. Mar Vista, Culver City. We out here. We out here. Bronson, Alchemist, Mayhem, big body. Come check it out. Get your dunk on. Oh, that's for the homies. That's for the big dunk for the homies. Oh, wow.